I know what we want to do. Ricky, look at me, I'm sailing on a nice bird. Whee! La 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 la. Spring, spring, spring. Ready? Whee!
Brooke, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, guys.
Where's Santa?
Nope.
Nope, where is he?
I found you. Nope. I found
That was so pretty. Can you show me Santa, Brooke? Brooke, show me Santa. Oh.
You tired, Brookie? No. Okay, let's keep going then.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, guys. Santa?
Wait, where's Santa?
Right there.
Right there? What does Santa say? Roar.
This is our little snowman guy, and he does a little trick for us. We trained him. And Brooke loves to groove.
You dancing? Are you going to sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one-horse open sleigh.
You want more? Well, wait, Brooke, will you sing Jingle Bells for us? I can't hear you.
We can't hear you. Jingle bell, jingle.
Did you get shy?
Jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle. I want more. I want more. Brooke, will you sing for us, Brooke? I want more.
How do you ask nicely, Brooke?
Please. Okay, should we sing along with
Ready?
it? Ready? Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. For the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha. Sing, making spirits rise. Oh, bonny